Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I have this Samsung's recently launched 10,000 mAh battery pack with fast wireless charge capacity to unbox and review. So let's get into it. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, software reviews and tutorials. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel. Alright, I got this Samsung 10,000 mAh fast wireless charging power bank which was recently announced and retailed at 80 Canadian dollar for absolutely free. Since I pre-ordered the Galaxy Watch Active 2, for which I have done an unboxing, specs and comparison video linked up here, you can check it out once you're done watching this one. Guys, if you're looking in to get one for yourself, check out the description of this video to find links with good deals on it, as well as check out our Amazon storefront. I have also attached a link to try Amazon Prime for absolutely no charge. Be sure to check it out. Okay, in terms of unboxing, it came in a nice compact box like this one, which says 10,000 mAh Type-C fast charge. There is a Samsung logo on the side and the back is all the details. So it's quite apparent from these illustrations that you can charge your watch and phone wirelessly like this, but you can also charge your watch or earbuds wirelessly and your phone with the cable as shown over here. Now let me quickly go through some boring key specifications. Don't worry, I'll try to simplify it for you as best as I can. So it says here that the battery capacity is 10,000 mAh lithium ion, but the usable capacity typically is 6600 mAh at 5 volt 1 ampere, reduces to 6300 mAh at 5 volt 2 ampere. Now for the fast charge, typically the usable capacity is 3100 mAh with 9 volt 1.6 ampere and reduces to 2300 mAh at 12 volt 1.25 ampere. So the takeaway over here is that if you prefer to fast charge wirelessly, you ain't going to have the advertised 10,000 mAh. The normal input for this battery pack is 5 volt 2 ampere, and the fast charging it's 9 volt 1.6 ampere and 12 volt 1.25 ampere. So that basically means that you can charge this power bank significantly faster if you have a fast charging adapter. Let me take my S10 Plus fast charging adapter and show you that the maximum upper output limit for this adapter is 9 volt 1.6 ampere. So if you have an adapter that has an output of 12 volt 1.25 ampere, then it would even charge this power bank up faster as compared to this adapter. Hope that makes sense. Now the same goes for the output, but here's the cool part. So this battery pack can output 12 volt 1.25 ampere for fast charge, but if your phone does not support that, it won't charge faster than what your phone usually do with its own charger. In simple terms, this power bank can share the juice pretty fast wirelessly, but it depends on the recipient device. If it's not capable of that, then the rest will get dissipate. Enough of the specs, let's go ahead and open it up. So inside is the quick start guide, which you don't need if you watch this video completely. On the side there is the USB-A to USB Type-C cable. It's pretty short in length, but you know what, it makes sense as you don't want a long cable dangling around when all you need is this. Okay, now let's take the power bank out and oh my goodness, look at the design. I bet you can't resist yourself from falling in love with this design. Samsung definitely overkilled this one compared to the price point. It feels premium with a metal encasing. The metal somehow over here is not super smooth. It has a texture to it, which in my opinion really helps with gripping it. At the back there is the Samsung logo with 10,000 at the bottom. There is nothing at the bottom except the specs that we already discussed. The bottom is flat in case if you want to make it stand upright. On the front there is the fast charge text, and the entire front surface feels like a silicone rubbery material, perfect for the smooth Gorilla Glass of your phone to stick it up. And there is the circular indentation for the Galaxy Watch to be placed inside it. Finally, on the top there is the USB Type A and Type C socket. The Type A is for the output, so you can charge your phone by this small cable. Oh, by the way, there is a cool thing. You won't be able to charge any device wired or wirelessly until you power it on. And to do that, just press this button, which will also indicate the power available in the bank. There are 4 lights, out of which this one has 3. That means it's 75% full. Now whatever number you have on the recipient device for the time it will take to charge fully will double up for the fast charger, but if you were to just use any regular charger, it would be tripled up. Now to charge the power bank itself, you can use the same cable, but the input will be the Type C socket. Now to avoid the charge from dissipating via the wireless charging pad, the charging pad will automatically turn off if not used for a minute or 2, and to turn it on simply press the button. You can also press the button at any point to check the power available on the bank itself. You can do some cool things like hold the bank and the phone together like this to charge and use your phone together in case if you have to do those last minute emails before the battery dies, or you can even put the phone and the bank in your pocket like this to charge your phone. The battery pack itself is of the size of a phone, but it definitely is a bit heavier, to be precise 234 grams. In terms of the charge time, it really depends on the type of your phone, if you use your phone while you're charging and etc. I typically tend to charge my watch from this charger wirelessly, and it pretty much takes whatever it says on the screen of my watch. So that's pretty much it, and here is what I would say about this particular device. It is definitely the best fast wireless charge capable power bank for the price you pay. Typically, a good quality power bank with around 10,000 mAh capacity would cost you about 50 Canadian dollar anyways, and to top it up, this one has the fast wireless charging and obviously a premium design. So if you're out there to purchase one anyways, then you won't regret buying this one. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.